Hello friends, today's topic, if you want 12% monthly returns, do this. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. In finance, it is said that if an investment sounds too good to be true, it is probably is. This means that if somebody is promising very high returns, it is most likely to result in an unfavorable result for the investor. However, most investors are greedy and want to believe that they can become rich very quickly. Following is a story for people to learn and to be careful in the future. As per various media reports, Torres jewellery in Mumbai was carrying out a Ponzi scheme through which it defrauded 1.25 lakh investors to the tune of rupees 1000 crores. Here is a brochure. Torres jewellery chain had 6 swanky stores in Mumbai suddenly shut down around a week ago, shocking all the investors who had put in money ranging from as low as rupees 1000 to high as even 1 crore or more. Luxury jewellery chain Torres Jewellery had launched a scheme in February 2024 in which it offered attractive returns to attract investors. Following are the details of the scheme. A. 2% weekly returns on gold purchases. B. 3% returns on silver investments. C. 4 to 6% weekly returns on mezzanette purchases. Mezzanette is a cheap gemstone used in jewelry and is called as fake diamond or American diamond. D. Displayed fake jewelry at their store to project legitimacy. E. Lucky draws with rewards like cars, 2 BHK house, phones, etc. The jeweler promised weekly payouts and gave added incentives for referrals when investors brought friends and relatives etc. to invest. Initially, to gain their trust, the jeweler regularly gave promised returns to investors. They also induced investors to reinvest the profit. However, it was a Ponzi scheme since no business can give 2 to 6% per week returns. In a Ponzi scheme, people are promised high returns and initially these returns are paid from the money received from new investors. After a point, they stop paying the regular returns when money received from new investors is not sufficient to pay the earlier investors. At such a time, investors realize that they have been fooled. Torres Jewellery continued to make payments regularly to investors till November 2024. However, the company suddenly shut its business in the last week of December and investors have been defrauded of crores of rupees. Around 1.25 lakh investors who have become victims of the scam are disheartened by the fraud and are demanding at least the return of the principal amount. But a resolution is not easy. The company has blamed the CEO and some of the staff. The authorities have named 3 Ukrainian nationals, Olena Stoin, Altrim and Victoria as key accused in the case. These foreign nationals, with the support of local accomplices such as Tausif Riaz and Sarvesh Surve, directed the company. It is not clear whether authorities will be successful in recovering money to the company to pay back the investors. It may be a long process with no certainty of recovering money. In 2019 in Bangalore, IMA Jewels ran a similar Ponzi scheme and defrauded people at the tune of 4,000 crores, offering similarly high returns on investment. Every now and then, fraudsters are successful in running such scams. What you should learn from such Ponzi schemes? 1. Don't believe any person or instrument which claims to give high fixed returns to investment. 2. In jewelry segment, there is a famous quote, if you don't know jewelry, know the jeweler. This means that if you don't know much about the product, you must have full faith in the jeweler based on his long track record. 3. There are many such scams running even now, disguised in different ways, but claiming to pay high returns for the investment. Invest in only what you know and where you have some expertise. Learn and research before you invest. 4. If you want to enter any jewelry scheme, make sure you do it with jewelry companies with long and reliable track records and not with recently started companies. 5. Have the common sense to realize that somebody is offering 3% per week is around 12% per month and 144% per year. Which business can give such unbelievable returns? 6. Similarly, some FNO trainers claim that investors can make 4 to 6% per month and double money in 1 to 1.5 years. SEBI study states that 99% of these retail investors make only losses, but unfortunately, such news is not covered by the media. Pranav Jewellers, rupees 100 crore scam. Where is the shine? Where is the pain? There are many such cases such as Torres jewellery in the past and present. Keep yourself safe from such schemes and share this video with all your friends so that they don't fall into such traps. At the end of the video, here is a question. Have you or any person known lost money in such Ponzi scheme? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.